Ever been puzzled by a persistent leak on your roof despite your best repair efforts? It's a common predicament, and we're here to shed light on the matter. Today, we'll be discussing common roofing issues and why understanding them is crucial. From shingles gone awry to pesky leaks that just won't quit, we've got you covered. We'll also be providing practical, do-it-yourself solutions that'll save you both time and money. So stay tuned as we dive into the world of roofs and find out how you can solve these problems yourself. Before we dive into the common roofing issues, let's take a moment to understand why knowing about them is so important. Your roof is more than just a shelter over your head. It's a complex system designed to protect your home from the elements, provide insulation, and even contribute to your home's overall aesthetic appeal. Understanding common roofing issues not only empowers you to tackle problems when they arise, but also helps you make informed decisions about maintenance and replacement. It's all about being proactive rather than reactive. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, as they say. Also, we invite you to become part of our online community. Don't forget to subscribe to the ManIkes channel for more helpful tips. We're dedicated to providing you with practical, easy-to-follow advice on a range of home maintenance topics. Stay tuned, because up next, we're delving into the common roofing issues you need to watch out for. To solve a problem, you first need to understand it. So what are some common roofing issues that you might encounter? First off, we have leaks. These pesky problems often spring up after heavy rain or snow. They're usually caused by cracked or missing shingles or gaps in the flashing around chimneys and vents. Over time, these leaks can lead to serious water damage inside your home. Next up is damaged shingles. Whether they're cracked, curled, or completely missing, damaged shingles expose the underlayment of your roof to the elements, which can lead to leaks and other issues. This damage can occur naturally over time or can be caused by severe weather. Poor installation is another common issue. If your roof wasn't installed properly in the first place, it's more likely to have problems down the line. This could mean anything from shingles not being aligned correctly to the use of subpar materials or even inadequate ventilation. Lastly, lack of maintenance. Many homeowners neglect regular roof checkups, allowing small issues to become big problems. Regular inspections and maintenance can catch potential issues early, preventing costly repairs in the future. But don't worry. These issues might sound intimidating, but with the right knowledge, you can tackle them head-on. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep up with all our helpful tips. Before we dive into the solutions, let's take a moment to appreciate the wealth of information available to us in today's digital age. No longer do we have to rely solely on professionals for every home repair issue. With a little bit of knowledge and the right resources, we can tackle many common issues ourselves. That's where the ManIkes channel comes in. This YouTube channel is your go-to resource for all things related to home repair, including roofing. We provide easy-to-follow, step-by-step guides on how to handle common construction issues, saving you time and money. We also cover a wide range of other topics, from civil or structural works to building services, so you can become a well-rounded DIY enthusiast. We always advise our viewers to also do their due diligence, since the information provided here may not apply in all situations. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. It's free, and it's a great way to support the channel. Plus, it ensures you won't miss out on any of our helpful tips and tricks. Let's tackle these roofing issues together. Now that you're familiar with the problems, let's get down to business. How can you solve these roofing issues? Roofing troubles are like puzzles, and to solve them, you need the right steps, the right tools, and a bit of patience. Let's take a closer look at how you can tackle these problems one by one. Starting with the most common issue, leaks. Leaks are usually due to cracked or missing shingles or a faulty underlayment. To fix this, you'll need roofing cement, a utility knife, and replacement shingles. Carefully remove the damaged shingle, apply a liberal amount of roofing cement, and then place the new shingle. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. But remember, safety first. Always use a sturdy ladder and wear slip-resistant shoes. Next up, pooling water. This usually means your roof has a low spot. You can solve this by adding a tapered insulation layer to the roof, which will help direct water towards the drains. You'll need insulation boards, a utility knife, and roofing adhesive for this task. Start by cutting the insulation board to fit the low area, apply the adhesive, and then place the board. Make sure to consult a professional if you're unsure about this process. For blow-offs or shingles that have been ripped off due to high winds, you'll need roofing nails and replacement shingles. Simply nail the new shingles securely into place. But remember, it's crucial to nail it correctly to avoid future blow-offs. Lastly, let's discuss punctures and holes. These can be caused by severe weather or fallen debris. For this, you'll need roofing cement and a patching fabric. Apply the cement to the hole, then place the fabric over it, and finally, apply another layer of cement. It's a simple fix that can save you a lot of headaches in the future. Remember, tackling these issues might require some effort, but the results will be worth it. And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Are you finding these solutions helpful? Well, we have a lot more where these came from. If you've enjoyed this video and want to learn more about maintaining and repairing your roof, why not hit the subscribe button? When you subscribe to the ManIkes channel, you'll get access to a vast library of informative content covering a range of home improvement topics. Not only will you be equipped with the knowledge to tackle common roofing issues, but you'll also learn about other aspects of home maintenance and repair. And the best part, it's all free. By subscribing, you're not just joining a channel, you're joining a community of homeowners just like you, eager to learn and share their experiences. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button now and become part of the ManIkes community. Remember, knowledge is power, and with the ManIkes channel, you'll have all the tools you need to keep your home in top shape. Stay tuned for our summary and conclusion coming up next. Let's wrap things up. Today, we've learned about common roofing issues and how to solve them. We've discussed everything from leaks and water damage to improper installation and material failure. But more importantly, we've discovered that these problems aren't insurmountable. With a bit of know-how and some elbow grease, you can tackle these issues head-on. Remember, leaks are often caused by broken or missing shingles, damaged flashing, or even gutter issues. And the remedy? Regular maintenance and timely repairs. Don't forget about the importance of proper installation. It's not just about slapping on some shingles. Every element of your roof, from the underlayment to the flashing, plays a crucial role in keeping your home dry and safe. So don't wait for a problem to become a disaster. Stay proactive, keep your roof in check, and you'll save yourself a lot of trouble down the line. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the ManIkes channel for more practical tips and tricks. Remember, with the right knowledge, you can solve any problem. Until next time, keep those roofs in top shape. Hey there! Before we close up, we have something exciting for you. If you love what we do here on the ManIkes channel and you want to be a part of our growing community, hit that subscribe button now. Not only will you receive updates on our latest videos, but you'll also get exclusive access to our community posts and live Q&A sessions where we dive deeper into the world of construction. Imagine having a direct line to your favorite construction experts, where you can ask questions and get real-time answers. That's what you'll get when you subscribe and join our community. We understand that construction can be a complex subject, and that's why we're here to help. We want to empower you with the knowledge you need to maintain and repair your building defects. So, don't miss out. Subscribe now and join our construction community. Remember, when you're a part of the ManIkes community, you're never alone in your construction journey. So, hit that subscribe button and let's keep learning and growing together. See you in the next video.